Yeah, I used to live in Atlanta, and it was a law passed in 2018 where it prohibits you from talking slash texting while driving. The state of Georgia has one. New York has one. It's time for the state of North Carolina to have one. Because oftentimes I see a lot of car accidents stem from people talking, texting, or doing whatever with their cell phones. Now I understand it. You understand? This is a new day and age that we're living in. And it's imperative that people use their cell phones for whatever. Maybe social media, business, their own business, checking emails, bank accounts, whatever. I get it. I understand it. But at the end of the day, let me take it back. You shouldn't put my life in jeopardy because of the fact that you want to check your phone for whatever reason, or talk on the phone or text. My life shouldn't be on the line because you want to deal with your phone at a time where you should be focusing on the road. That plain and simple. I don't understand how North Carolina doesn't have a law, at least on the table. At least put on the table in the capital city called Raleigh, North Carolina. I just don't get it. I thought that there should have been a bill passed a long time ago in which it would prohibit people from talking and texting on the cell phone while driving. I just don't get it, especially in Charlotte, where we need a law that prohibits people from talking and texting on their cell phone. You know what I'm saying? I think that personally it would ease the traffic. It would prevent a lot of car accidents because I see it every day, man, and it's sickening. I use these highways. It's Monday through Friday. 77 that goes straight through Charlotte. 277 that circles around Uptown, in which we call our downtown Uptown, and 485, which circles around Charlotte. And I can tell you, almost every day, I see someone talking on their cell phone. I see someone that's preoccupied with their phone. And I just don't understand it. Because I'm saying, seriously, I'm being real. Like 80% of the people that I see that's talking on their cell phones have newer cars. Like, 2016, 2017, 2018. I'm just trying to understand, how is it that you're in a hands-free environment where you can easily use your Bluetooth and you're not using it? I'm trying to understand. I have a Samsung Ultra 21. Like, I can actually just talk to my cell phone and it'll give me, it'll type out the text. Like, technology is like there right now where you don't necessarily have to utilize your phone, like physically use it. You can tell your phone what the hell to do. And I'm just trying to understand, how is it that you all are physically still touching your cell phone when you don't have to? Just please make me understand that. Please make me understand that. I just don't get it. My life is on the line. Every time I get behind this wheel and I get on the highway, on a regular street, I've seen it. Every time I get behind someone or in front of someone, my life is on the line. When you're talking on your cell phone, I don't do it. I don't do it. Because it's easy. It's just simple. Like, if you want to talk on your cell phone, if you want to text physically, you want to physically touch your phone, No problems. Pull to the side of the road to do that shit. Other than that, I got places to go and people to see. And I got a family to come back home to. Straight up. I just don't want to be one of those people that gets hit by a person that was talking on their cell phone and they wind up killing me. Next thing you know, my children are crying for their father. My loved ones are crying because they miss me over some dumb idiot that could have easily just pulled to the side and did what they had to do with their cell phone. You know how many car accidents I've seen? I'm serious. Like, I've literally seen someone talking on the phone and boom, it happened. Which makes no sense to me. Just doesn't. I see a lot of car accidents in the city of Charlotte that could have been prevented if there was a law passed that stated that you cannot talk on your cell phone, you cannot text on your cell phone while driving. Let me tell you something. Georgia is so strict, the state of Georgia. Not only did they say that you can't talk or text on your cell phone, they said that you can't even touch your cell phone while you're driving. That's the shit I'm talking about. Matter of fact, North Carolina needs to pass that type of law and add on to it. And that add-on should be not only that you can't touch your phone or talk or text, you can't even look at it. If you look at your cell phone, you get a ticket. That plain and simple. I think the tickets need to be harsh. I think the first time you get pulled for talking and texting, $200 fine. Second time, $300 fine. Third time, $500 fine. Fourth time, license suspended. Period. Excuse me. I got to have my lemon water in the morning. But yeah. And I know what you're going to say. Man, Langston, you harsh. And blah, blah, blah. And this and that and so forth. Let me tell you something. Let me give you my personal business a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So you can understand where I'm coming from. I've had my license revoked, right? And I can tell you that it was supposed to get revoked. You want to know why? Because I continued. After they suspended my license, I continued to drive without a legal license. And you know that I possibly could have injured or like killed someone because I was driving illegally. Like, I'm not young anymore. And I'm not saying that all young people have a young, naive mind or ignorant mind or stupid mind. That's not what I'm saying. But I'm going to tell you that when I was young, I was stupid. And I purposely disobeyed the law. And let me tell you something. As of recent, like a couple of years ago, I got my license back. So now, you know, I am driving legally. I have my car insurance is up to date. My car inspection is up to date. My license is straight. Everything is straight. Before I get behind this wheel, I make sure that my shit is straight. Because I've been in situations where, I'm not going to say a friend, like a close friend, but a person that I knew got behind the wheel, drinking and driving, and had no license, and almost killed a little girl. And I have to sit there and listen to this dude, like, and kind of like, okay, I'm cool with him. Should I be, you know what I'm saying? How should I go about this shit? Because, like, that enrages me. It really does. I'm an adult now, and I see that, yo, there are laws passed, and you may not like it, but you gotta obey them. In this particular case, if they were to pass a law, you know what I'm saying, where there's no talking and texting, guess what? If you broke the law and you hit and kill somebody, then what? I'm letting you know right now, in the city of Charlotte, I know this is facts. People are getting in car wrecks while talking and texting. I've literally seen that shit. Like the car wrecks, car accidents in the city of Charlotte is like, it's amazing to me. It's like in the movies or some shit. Like, it's nothing, please, Charlotteans, please. People that were born and raised here, you know what I'm saying? Native to Charlotte. Please tell me if I'm a liar. Tell everybody if I'm embellishing on the truth, right? There's nothing to see a car accident in Charlotte with the car turned over and in flames. And I'm trying to figure out how the hell this shit happened. But I'm more than sure it was somebody talking on the phone. And it's sickening, man. A lot of car accidents could be prevented if there was a law passed. Straight up. I've literally seen traffic jams, right? And the cause behind traffic jams, it was one or two or three motherfuckers that were on their cell phones. Straight up. And there's a thing called road rage. And that's something that I definitely need to practice on. Meaning that I need to stop the road rage. Because that can get you killed. I'm just being real with you. It really can. You know what I'm saying? People in Charlotte, for some odd reason, especially the natives, there's no, let's say for example, if I were to look at a person's temperament, right? And I were to gauge it like from 1 to 10. There's, in the city of Charlotte, Charlotteans, specifically Charlotteans, you know what I'm saying? There's no, okay, they're jumping from 1 to 5. No, they jump from 1 to 10. And it can go down anywhere. Straight up. Like, to hear that the baby shot and killed somebody in Walmart in Huntersville, it's like, oh damn. But it's not like shocking. Like, it could go down. That road rage got to stop, especially for me. You understand? Because there have been times where I've never had a gun pulled out on me, but I've seen it on the news, like a couple people. I mean, that was really, really normal in Atlanta. I can tell you that. But yeah, man, people trying to get to where they gotta go. You know, and with that, they definitely want to make it to their destination. I'm more than sure people such as myself don't want to see the funeral home just yet. And that's the point that I'm making to you, man. You know, I'm not going to hold y'all. This ain't going to be no 20, 30, 40-minute video. You know, I'm not going to be long-winded with it. You know, the city of Charlotte is trying to ease up, you know, the traffic by creating express lanes. You know, those express lanes that are open are, I think it starts from like Huntersville all the way down and works itself into Uptown. Right now they have express lanes that are not open yet that they're working on. That starts from 485, it's in South Charlotte, 485, where 485 and 77 meets, and it extends all the way on both sides of 485, all the way up to Concord. So the city of Charlotte is definitely trying to, you know what I'm saying, ease up the tension as far as dealing with, you know, traffic, you know. But I could tell you, like, it's not going to make a difference. You know, there's an influx of people. We're roughly at 3 million people in the metropolitan area. This area is growing, you know, more and more every day, each day, you know. And I just know that eventually this is going to be a big mess. And there needs to be some more, what can I say? No. I'm just saying it like it is. You know what I'm saying? There needs to be more laws passed, you know, that's gonna make you know, us drivers more safer on the road. You know, other than that, this is ridiculous, you know, that they don't have a law where at least now, you know, you can't talk on the phone. But texting is still just as bad, if not worse. You know, and like I said before, you see these drivers, and please, charlatans, please let these people know in the comment section if I'm making this shit up or lying. You see these people with these brand new damn cars, and you're like, why are you on your cell phone? I don't get it. I just don't. Why are you on your cell phone and you have Bluetooth? I really don't understand it. I really don't. Please, can someone please make me understand that? How you got a brand new 2021 Mercedes-Benz and you still on a, yeah, you know, as I was saying, and let's not even talk about Tesla. Let's not even talk about people that have Teslas. Like, you all think that, listen, I understand that the car can drive itself, but it's not meant for you to just like chill and go to sleep behind the wheel. Yo, there needs to be some type of regulation going on, man. You know what I'm saying? Because this is getting bad, you know? And now they're coming out with unmanned cars. You know, Tesla was the first, you know, to come out with it, and now everybody's following their lead. It's gonna be a big mess, man. And man, I've seen far too many damn car accidents. I've known people that have lost their life. I know this one girl, I don't even want to be graphic like that, but the car accident was so bad, she was decapitated. Her head. I don't know what I have to do, you know what I'm saying? Do I have to talk to my local congressman or congresswoman about this situation? Do I have to draw up a petition and go out, you know, and attempt to get 100,000 signatures? I don't know. Let me know, you know what I'm saying? You know, do I have to make a trip to Raleigh where, you know, all the bills are passed? You know, it's the capital city, so they handle all North Carolina state affairs in Raleigh. I mean, what is it that I can do? You know what I'm saying? Other than just doing this video. Because we definitely need some type of law to prohibit people from talking and texting on their cell phones. Not only in the city of Charlotte, the whole state of North Carolina. Other than that, my name is Langston2092. I want you to like, comment, subscribe. Definitely share this video.